student, I am Popita Das, your mathematics teacher. Today I will start chapter 1 from class 6, knowing our numbers. So what is numbers? 24, 52, 621, 3. These all are numbers. This is 3. This is one digit number. 24 and 52. These are 2 digits number. And 621. This is 3 digits number. So among this number, what is largest number and what is smallest number? We find first largest number. Here biggest digit number is 621. This is 3 digit number. These are 2 digit and this is 1 digit. So first we look digits. Which is biggest digit number? 621. This is 3 digit number. So among these, 621 is largest number. And what is smallest number? Here smallest digit number is 3. This is 1 digit number. So 3 is smallest number among this number. Next we take another numbers. Suppose we take 721 and 521. These two are same digits number. 3 digits. These two are 3 digits number. So here 1 is 1 digit. This is 10 places. This is 100 places. And here 1 places, 10 places, 100 places. So maximum places number is 100. So we compare between two numbers 100 places number. Here 100 places number is 7 and here 100 places number is 5. So what is biggest number? 7 or 5? Obviously 7 is biggest number, then 5 is larger than 5. So 7 to 1 is larger than 5 to 1. So between two numbers 7 to 1 is largest. Here we compare two same digits number. Next we take another two same digits number, 751 and 791. Between two numbers, those are same digits, and here maximum places is 100 places number. So first we compare 100 places number. Here 100 places number is 7 and also here 100 places number is 7. So we compare next places number. That means 10 places number. Here 10 places number is 5 and here 10 places number is 9. And here this is 1 place number. This is 1 places number. So in 10 places number, this is 5 and here is 9. 9 is larger than 5. So 791 is larger than 751. So 791 is largest number. So in this method we compare two numbers and we find largest and smallest number. Next I take another number. Suppose 2, 5, 1, 3, 9, 2, 1, 9. Here in Indian method, this is 1 places number, this is 10 places number, this is 100 places number, this is 1000, this is 10,000, this is lakh, this is 10 lakh, and this is crore. So this is 1 places number, this is 10 places number 1, and 100 places number is 2, 10,000 হচ্ছে 9, and 10,000 3, lakh 1, 10 lakh 5, and crore is 2. We write this 2 into order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros. Plus 5 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 3, 4. We write this number in this form. Here 9 is 1 places number. Here 1 is 10 places number. So we can write this by 10. This is 100 places number. That means 200. 9 is 1000 places number. So its place value is 900. This is 10,000. That means 30,000. This is lakh. So this is 1 lakh. 5 is 10 lakh. Place value is 5. 10 lakh. So we write 50 lakh, and this is 2 crore. This is in Indian system. And international system. This place value, that means 10 lakh. This place is called million. So in international system, 10 lakh, this place value is called million. So here 1 million equals to 10 lakhs. One million equals to 10 lakhs, and 1 billion equals to 100 million. Now we compute exercise number 1.1. Exercise number 1.1. exercise number 1.1 number 1. Here one is 1 lakh. 1 lakh equals to, this is fill in the blanks. 1 lakh equals to dash 10,000. Now we see that 1 lakh means this is 1 lakh. So 10,000. 10,000 means this is 1,000. This is 10,000. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, and there is 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So we multiply 10 by this. So this is 10,000. 10 into this is 10,000. So we get 1 lakh equals to 10,000. This is 10. Or we write this in this form. Next is number 2. 1 million equals to dash 100,000. Here 1 million means 1 million means 10 lakhs. So this is 10 lakhs. Now 100,000. 1,000 means this is 1,000, and this is 100,000 means this is 100,000. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So here we get this is 10 lakh means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. And here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, 10. So this is 10 into 100,000. That means 10 into 100,000. So here we put 10. Next this is number A, this is number B, this is number D. We should try home number C and number E. That D is 1 crore equals to dash million. Now we get 1 million. means 10 lakhs. So this is 10 lakhs and 1 crore equals to this is 1 crore. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. So we can write this 10 into 1 million. So we write 1 crore equals to 10 into 1 million. This is 1 million. So number 1 is completed and we should try number 2. Number 2A. Here 73 lakh 75,307. So first we write 5,307. 5,307. This is 5,307. Now here 73 lakh 75,000. 75,000. 73 lakh, that means 73 lakh. This is 1 place, this is 10, this is 100, this is 1000, this is 10,000, this is lakh, this is 10 lakh. Here given 73 lakh. So we shall write 73 and 75,000, 75, this is 1000 place and 307. So this is, we shall write 0 and last 7. This is 1 place, this is 100 place, this is 1000 and this is 10,000, this is 10 lakh places. Next, number B, 9 crore 5 lakh 41. 9 crore 5 lakh 41. First we write places. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, this is crore. I given 9 crore. So we shall write 9 in crore places. 9 crore 5 lakh 41. 5 lakh. So we shall write 5 in lakh places. 5 lakh 41. 41. And we write 0 in that places. 10 lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100. So we get this. This is 9 crore, 5 lakh and 41. Next, number D. Number D is 58,423,202. They are given million. So in international system we write this. Number D, ones, 10, 100, 1000, lakh and 10 lakh means 1 million. This is 4. Here given 58 million. 58 million means 58 million. 58 million 423,000. 423,000. That means 423. This is 1000 place. So this is 423,000. And 202. This is 100 place. So 202. This is 202. This is 423,000. This is 58 million. 58 million 423,202. So number 2. C and E. These are homework. 1 CE and 2 CE. Next day we should try number 3 and number 4. Thank you.